Alright, what's up guys? So as you saw, me and Leanne went to go have some brunch. I had a in-class essay as well as a speech today, so it felt good to get that stress off. So I'm currently heading to the store right now to go get some medicine for my mom. Alright, now that I'm home, I'm gonna go get this to my mom real quick and then we can get started finally. Been busy all day. It's already almost 4 o'clock and I haven't done anything as far as what I need to do for my car. So let's get it done. Now I just need to make sure his cat doesn't get out. Which, cat's just basically chilling. Just watching me. Alright, so this is what I have to deal with. I have his old bumpers and side skirts that are just chilling here. So those I just need to get out of the way. Christmas tree, need to get out of the way. I have all those things right here, which is basically a cluster of random stuff. We're gonna go ahead and move it over there as well. Alright, to be fair, my brother works some crazy freaking hours, so I understand. But damn, that is bad. That is annoying. Cause I gotta sweep this all up. The cat's just chilling. I don't want it to run out, cause then I'll die. My brother will kill me if I let him run out. So, time to sweep all this up. And look, this cat litter just keeps going like all the way over here. Alright guys, so my blower was in the back with the dogs, which I did not want to go get, but luckily I have my Chemical Guys blower, so let's see how it works as an actual blower. Alright, so basically clean everything up. I moved the boxes back over here. It's not fully decided on which side I'm going to be parking on, either over here or over there. Again, still not decided, but that's basically it for right now. I cleaned everything up. Just basically all the cat litter and dust and dirt and whatnot. So now I'm gonna let this little guy right here come back out, or girl, whatever you want to call it. She's chilling though. She's been chilling in there the whole time. So legit, I forgot the sweeper or whatever we're already gonna call it, and cat's already gone. I was like, oh, okay. What are you doing in there? Oh, you like the camera? You just wink at the camera? Freaking cat. Alright guys, so now that the garage is all cleaned up, I'm here with me a little pad right here and just a couple of lights and whatnot, just to test them out, see if it works and how they look. So what I am gonna be able to do, I don't know if you guys can see it, but right here, this is actually a cigarette plug-in. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my 3-piece, the one with the 3 pieces, go ahead and plug it in here. Hopefully try to hide it, tuck it right here, this area, or maybe behind it, wherever it could actually go. And basically that's why it's tucked away, and that's basically where I'll run anything I'm gonna do. Maybe that way I can run my radar probably along this line right here, put my radar up here, and then have the footwell glow right here as well, and whatever else I decide to put on there. So we'll go ahead and see what we got. Alright, so this is what I got going on so far. So the red LEDs indicate that it's off, blue means it's on. So I'm going to leave this part on, the actual LEDs for the footwell. I'm going to leave that on constantly. And again, it is Bluetooth on my phone, so I can turn it on and off on my phone. So I'm basically trying to put it right here. I have the 3M already placed on this part, just letting it get nice and stuck. And then I'm going to be putting it down here. I don't know if you can see, there's a little area right here, so basically it's gonna be about like right here. All right guys, so like always things don't go as planned. I ended up putting it back there just so it's out of the way. I liked it right here where I had it originally. It looked better, honestly, about like right here, so it kind of was sticking out so you can actually see the lights. But it wasn't working. There wasn't enough to actually stick onto. So best place where it's not gonna fall off. It's nice and sturdy. I'm actually like really pulling on it right now. It's nice and sturdy right there, so it's not gonna fall off. It was falling off right here because again there wasn't anything to stick to. The only thing is it's gonna be pretty annoying for passenger to have to plug that in. So I don't know, I'm probably gonna end up just leaving this unplugged for now, just because I don't like how it looks. I don't like a wire just dangling there. So now I could actually put in the actual full well lighting. Alright, so I have the placements already set, but I'm running into a little problem. I'm trying to get the two for this side. Oh yeah, she got home early from work.
Oh my god.
So I'm trying to get these two onto this side, but I was trying not to take anything apart, but I gave up. So now I'm about to unscrew this, these sidebars right here, so I could wire it through without, you know, I don't want any wires being exposed. Whenever you do wiring, you want to do it right and not make it look messy. All right, like I said, I'm pulling it out right now. So this is actually very easy to take off. All it is, it's 2 screws. So you have one right here that I already took out, and then we have another one right there. That little guy right there. And then it basically just pops out. All right, so now I took this off and I wired the other ones over there. So now all I gotta do is basically stick them on, which they all come preset with the 3M on the back of it. Stick them where they need to stick, and basically put it back together, and that's it. We're all good to go. All right, so the passenger side's basically done, other than doing the wire tuck and just basically hiding everything and zip tying the excess. So right now what I'm doing is like I said, I took this off already. I'm kind of basically pushing it underneath. I'm gonna wire it up here, and I'm gonna be placing it, let me see if I can see on the camera. I'll be placing it like right over here in this area. And then the second one is gonna go underneath the seat, and it's gonna go on this little barrier right here. It's just gonna go right across. So then that's basically all I'm gonna be doing, because she's hungry. Because she is hungry, I'm gonna go ahead and go get her some sweets. I don't know what we're gonna get yet, but we're gonna go get something.
Cake.
So I'm gonna go, what? How are you gonna get cake? So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on, and basically it should look good. After that, all I need to do again is just zip tie the excess, and I could do that later, tomorrow probably. But this is what we're gonna be doing right now. Alright, so I went ahead and put this one back on already. I just need to screw in the 2 little screws over there, as well as I got the zip ties, cause this was actually gonna affect my driving. I had the lights just, or the wires just hanging over the clutch. One of the nicest wire tuckings I've ever done. You can't even see anything, that's crazy. No wires at all are showing on either side. So now all I gotta do is actually just go ahead and screw the 4 screws in, and we can call it a night for this. It's best if you have a girlfriend with small little hands to get into these little crevices, cause I dropped the screw already. So thank you, babe. Alright, so I got them all set up. I have the Bluetooth controller right here, so I can switch for whatever I want to do. So for me, I'm gonna go ahead and do blue, probably like a light blue like that, just so it can match the lights in the car, the stock lights. So that's what we got right now. And again, I'm really happy with the wire tuck I did on this one. You can't see any exposable wires at all. And now we're on the driver's side, and again, kind of looks like the driver's side might be a little bit brighter, just because the LED strip on this side is a little bit closer. So again, I have one right here, one underneath right there, and then as well, it's I try to get as close as possible, but again, it was kind of a little difficult to do that. But without further ado, this is where I'm gonna go ahead and end it. Again, I could do whatever I want to do. I have the whole app right here, so I could do whatever I want. But this is where I'm gonna go ahead and end it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out. I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully, that's probably gonna be the waxing. Finally, I'm actually gonna get to wax my car. So without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. She's hiding over there. Peace out, guys.